You're about to feel something that your brain was never designed to handle. In 1984, a scientist named Justin Schmidt did something no one else dared to do. He let insects sting him again and again and again, until he created the most disturbing pain ranking ever recorded. People didn't just feel these stings, they survived them.
Before we start, I need to warn you about number 1. The man who experienced it could only describe it in 3 words. 3 words never used for pain before. I'll tell you those words at the end. But first, let's begin. Number 10. Honeybee. You think you know pain because you've been stung by a bee. The honeybee is only level 2. But here's what most people don't realize. When it stings you, it leaves something behind. A living needle that keeps pumping venom into your skin for up to a minute. One victim described it as a flaming thumbtack driven into your flesh. And this is the least painful thing on this list. Number 9. Yellow jacket. The yellow jacket matches the bee in pain, but not in behavior, because this one doesn't stop at one sting. Schmidt described it as hot and smoky, like paperwork. Yes, paperwork. If this is paperwork, what does level 4 feel like? And by the way, one insect on this list was described using only 1 word. No comparison, no explanation. Number 8. Bald-faced hornet. This is where things change. The bald-faced hornet doesn't just sting, it marks you chemically. One sting can call an entire colony, and suddenly you're not dealing with pain, you're dealing with a swarm. Number 7. Red harvester ant. This is the first level 3. The red harvester ant does something terrifying. It doesn't just cause pain, it programs it. Even after the venom is gone, your nervous system keeps firing pain signals for hours. You're not being stung anymore, but your body doesn't know that. Number 6. Paper wasp. The paper wasp doesn't rely on duration, it relies on destruction. Its venom slowly breaks down your cells, so the pain goes deeper. Everything you've seen so far is survivable. No permanent damage. What comes next is different. Number 5. Tarantula hawk. We've reached level 4. The tarantula hawk delivers a pain so intense you lose the ability to think. One victim couldn't speak for 4 minutes. The official advice? Lie down and scream. Number 4. Warrior wasp. The warrior wasp was described using only 1 word. Torture. Then 1 sentence. You are chained inside an active volcano. And the worst part? It doesn't peak. It stays. Number 3. Executioner wasp. This one, slowly, was never even supposed to be on the list. The executioner wasp does something no other sting does. It kills tissue, not pain, actual flesh. This isn't just a sting, it's damage. I need to tell you something. The bullet ant is not number 1. So what is? Number 2. Bullet ant. The bullet ant feels like being shot, but that's not the worst part. It lasts 24 hours, non-stop. The venom shuts off your brain's pain limiter. There is no ceiling, which means something is worse. Number 1. Velvet ant. You expected the bullet ant. Everyone does. But the velvet ant breaks a rule. Pain is supposed to end. This doesn't. The 3 words. It just doesn't stop. Hours later, days later, it comes back again and again and again. This isn't the most intense pain. It's the one that never lets you leave. Justin Schmidt spent his life being stung, so you never have to. But what he discovered is terrifying.
Nature has been perfecting ways to break the human nervous system for millions of years, and some of them are still out there. If something just flew past you and you looked twice, good. You should subscribe, because next time we're not talking about stings. We're talking about creatures